Hello friends, welcome to Samir Math classes. Last class we have already completed the chapter relation. Today we'll start the chapter function. Please like, share, comments and subscribe the channel to get the updates. Let's start the chapter function. Function. A function is a special types of relation. Suppose f is a relation from x to y, then we know that the domain of f is the subset of x, range of f is the subset of y. That means if f is a relation from x to y, then f is a subset of x cross y. Then what is function? Function is a special types of relation. All relations are not function, but all functions are relation. Then under which condition a relation is said to be a function? A relation is said to be a function if it satisfies two conditions. Suppose f is a relation from x to y. We say that relation f is said to be a function if it satisfies two conditions. Number one conditions, domain of the relation f. That means dom f is the whole set x and the relation is not one many. That means each element of set x will not map to more than one element of set y. That is, second condition is if x y ordered pair belongs to f, that is x related to y, and x z ordered pair belongs to f. That means if x is any element of capital X and it relates to y of capital Y and again z of capital Z, then we say that f will be function, then y must be equal to z. That implies y must be equal to z. Okay. If this condition will satisfy a relation, then we say that the relation is known as a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. So that we can say that every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. Then we will go to the definition first. What is function? A relation f from x to y is said to be a function if it satisfies two conditions. That is, number one, domain of the relation f, that is dom f, must be equal to whole set x. Second conditions, x y ordered pair belongs to f and x z ordered pair belongs to f implies that y is equal to z. In other words, a relation f from x to y is said to be a function if its domain is the whole set x and the relation is not one many, not one many. Okay, we'll go to the example. This is the definition. We'll go to the example. Suppose let x is equal to a, b, c and y is equal to 1, 2, 3 are any two sets. Then check that the following relations the following relations from x to y are functions or not. Number one, f is equal to a1, b2. Here f is a relation from x to y because f is a subset of x cross y, but f is not a relation, f is not a function from x to y. Why? Here dom f is equal to ab, which is not equal to whole set x. So it is not a function from x to y, right? Second condition, f1 f2 is another relation from x to y, a1, b2, c3, again a2. Here f2 is a relation from x to y, whether f2 is a function from x to y or not. Here dom f2 is equal to a, b, c, which is equal to xz. So first condition of the dom function satisfied. Second conditions, and a1 belongs to f2, again, and a2 order pair belongs to f2 implies that 1 is not equal to 2. That means one element of set x related to more than one element of set y. So that is the relation is one many relation is not a function. So f2 is not a function. Number 3, f3 is equal to a1, b1, c1. Here dom f3 is equal to abc is equal to whole set x, and the relation is not one many. How? Here 1 is related to one elements, no other elements. B is related to 1. That means the relation is many one. Many one relation is a function. but only case is one many relation is not a function. And F3 is not one many. So it is not a, it is a function. So it is a function. Clear? That the definition of the function is over, with examples is over. Then we'll go to the concept of nodes 1. Nodes 1. There are some synonyms for the word functions. Some of the synonyms for the word function are mapping. We can say that mapping, transformation, operator, etc. for the word function. Mapping, transform, transformation, etc. These words are used for the synonyms for the word functions. Synonyms for the word functions. Note 2. If F subset of X cross Y. To differentiate cross, we can write the bar up and down of X. If X subset of X cross Y, that means if F is a relation from X to Y, subset of X cross Y is a function, then we write it as, F such that X to Y, and say that F maps from X to Y. That means whenever we say that F maps from X to Y, we write it as F such that X to Y. Okay? Note 3. If X, Y ordered pair belongs to F, then F of X, then Y is equal to F of X, and say that Y is the image of X under the function F. These are the fundamental concepts about functions. This is the synonyms. If we write F is a relation from X to Y is a function, then we write it as F such that X to Y, and say that F maps from X to Y. If X, Y ordered pair belongs to F, we say that Y is the image of X under the function F. Note 4. If F maps from X to Y is a function, then then X whole set, then the whole set X is equal to DOM F and a whole set Y is equal to codomain F. Always and always range F, the subset of Y, subset are equal to Y, right? This is the basic concepts about function. That is, what is the definition of functions, then what is the synonyms for the word function. These are the points. Then we'll go to the types of functions. Then we'll read what about types of functions. Types of function में क्या क्या है? Types of function में है injective function, surjective function and bijective function, then invertible function. Okay, the next class we'll read about types of function. Today's class is this much. Thank you. Over.